So I am here several miles off-road. I think I'm probably going to use Velvia 50 for this shot and try and get some color with the sky after sunset. I don't know what these things are called. I want to say they're some kind of buttes. They sure look like it to me. Alright, just so you can see, this is what my ground glass looks like with the image that I have composed. Just filming on my GoPro right now underneath the dark cloth here. Alright, I'm all set up here with my normal lens on. Composed my scene, so I'm just waiting for there to be a little bit more color into the sky. But I think it'll be a good sunset. A little bit of clouds off into the distance, but not really in my frame. But I think it'll be a good one. By the way, I got this new film bag. Finally hold my 4x5 film holders. It's kind of like my dorky little fanny pack. Never had one. Well, there wasn't much color in the sky, but I'm just glad I got to check out this place and photograph it. This was a 7-minute exposure, by the way, and the light was fading fast, so I had to make a quick, educated guess to increase my exposure time, and luckily it came out. Please subscribe to the channel so you can join me next time.